Hey you guys, God bless each and every one of you. Thanks for watching My Creed Outdoors. In this video, you guys, I'm going to show you how to use a piece of fatwood to cook yourself a meal with. Or this is a video about how to cook with fatwood. Look how rich that fatwood is right there, you guys. That's going to be good right there. Coffee's getting done, you guys. Ooh, that fish is hot. Uh-oh. Guys, that's one way you can cook you a meal without making a humongous fire. And if your little gas stove has run out of gas, and you got fat wood in the area, you can actually make you a one-stick cook fire. Obviously, you're going to have to shave the end of it a little bit and keep it burning there. But still yet, you can still cook a meal with one chunk of fat wood when you're not going to draw attention with great big clouds of smoke. Another thing, you guys, this right here will keep bugs away from your camp at night. If you've got some fat wood chunks to light like that, you can make little torches and set them around your camp, and that will help keep the bugs. Yep, that's getting nice right there. It'll help keep the bugs away from your camp. That you guys? Torches to light your camp, cook your food. Believe it or not, this fat wood right here, you guys, is wet on the outside. I just carved that right out of a chunk of wood there. Cool stuff. That should settle that down. Ouch. Oh man. Delicious, you guys. Pretty area I'm in this morning too, you guys. It's nice and quiet back in here. Right in the middle of big bear country. Okay, you guys, I hope you enjoyed watching my video. This is one way of cooking without having to go out and rip up a whole big bunch of little dinky sticks and stuff. Just find you some fat wood, cut you a good chunk of it, and make you a one stick campfire with it, you guys. God bless you, and thanks for watching Mike Reed Outdoors.